all. Today, we students of Lakshya International School, Grade 6, are going to present our science experiment. My name is Sharaf and these are my friends Zia and Uditi. Our topic is to make slime without borax. Now, I will give some information about slime. Slime was a toy product manufactured by Mattel and it was introduced in February 1976. It consisted of a non-toxic, viscous, oozy and squishy green or other color material made primarily from gum. Slime usually consisted of cross-linked polymer. It is classified as a liquid and is typically made by combining polyvinyl alcohol solutions with borax ions in a large mixing container. It often has an unpleasant odor, a green color, and a cold and slimy touch. Now here we are going to make slime with very handy materials. Now my friend Udit will tell about the contents.
To make a slime, we need a bottle of glue, water, some detergent powder, color of your choice, a bowl, and a container, a tablespoon, and a brush. Now my friend Zia will show how to make slime.
To make a slime, we need a bowl, full bottle of glue, now add color of your choice. Of 2-3 drops. Mix it well. Now take another container. Add 2 tablespoons of detergent powder. Add some water. Mix it well. Now take the glue the bowl in which we got the glue. Now add half spoon of detergent liquid. Stir it well. Take this detergent liquid, pour into the glue and mix it well. Do this process 4 to 5 times. After stirring, you will get this type of texture. Give rest for 20 minutes. You will get your slime.
Now your slime is ready. You can play with it.
Today I am student from class 6 Nijal Patel from Lakshya International School. Today I am going to do a small science experiment and the topic is pressure of air. For this experiment we need a tub, an empty bottle and a bottle filled with water and a divider. First I will take an empty bottle and make some holes in it. Then I will fill water in it. water is coming out. So I will now close the lid. You can see the water is not coming out. Then I will again open it. So this happens. So the water comes out in